There's a strange bird on the balcony.
1990.
One I can't find in the book.
English was in the air. The air was English.
Pure white, resembling a dove.
Blowing on a sea breeze at Henley or
The
Glenelg.
yin-yang of a black
One
turtle,
sentence floats near you,
overlaid with white feathers.
but it will not come into your mouth.
I thought perhaps
Tortured,
an albino magpie,
barred in and from your
but for its
homeland,
pink legs,
mute in the new land. Your heart bleeds metaphors, exiled from your tongue. Alien vowels, consonants fill your ears, elude your mouth. Your heart, an injured bird, one wing plastered to tarmac, an impotent flapping in Spanish. "1990. English was in the air. The air was English. Blowing on a sea breeze at Henley or Glenelg. One sentence floats near you, but it will not come into your mouth. Tortured, barred in and from your homeland, mute in the new land. Your heart bleeds metaphors, exiled from your tongue.
but for its pink legs,
Alien vowels, consonants fill your ears, elude your mouth.
chasing it across sky,
Your heart, an injured bird, one wing plastered to
I guess it's an
tarmac,
outcast,
an
seeking
impotent
sanctuary in
flapping
this high place.
in Spanish.
When I look through the window at it, its eyes look through me.